how to change the city or location for the weather widget on the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, go back to your home screen that has the weather widget that you want to change. Then touch and hold. Next, tap on Edit Widget, and then tap on Location. In here, select a location that you want to use. So I'm going to use the search text box, and I'm going to say type in a location, Rome, Italy, and then tap outside the box to save the changes. And that is how you can change the location for a weather widget. Now, if you have more than one widget on the home screen, you can continue to change the widget as well. So we just go in and tap on Edit Widget, and here we can type in the name of the city, so San Francisco, and then tap outside the box, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.